Hey everybody, Kevin with the AHCA here. Happy New Year. Grace and I hope that you're off to an incredible start of the new year, and we wish happiness and prosperity for all of you in 2023. I only have 5 minutes to shoot this quick video, so let's get started. This Thursday, we're going to be starting our AHCA Success Club in 2023, our first meeting for the new year, and we are reading The Eighth Habit by Dr. Stephen Covey, From Effectiveness to Greatness. We just finished the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and Grace and I base much of our personal lives and our business off of the principles of these 2 books. And so we hope that you can join us this week in reading The Eighth Habit. You can download it on your podcast app and listen to it while you work or while you're at the gym or at home doing chores. Or you can order the book, the hardcover. We just got ours in the mail a couple days ago. So we are going to be meeting on Thursday night, and instead of meeting on Zoom and broadcasting into the HCA Facebook group, we're not going to be broadcasting into the Facebook group. We're going to be hosting this meeting and all of our Thursday meetings from now on in our own HCA private community Zoom. And so this is a new feature that just rolled out last week, available to all HCA members. If you're a paying HCA member, you have this product right now in your HCA portal. I'm going to show you where it is. So you go to the hca.org and you log in, just like this. And then down here in your library where your professional cleaning provider course is, where your COVID certification course is, all your members' benefits and resources, professional house cleaner, if you keep scrolling down, you're going to find the private community here. It's called the Leaders Team AHCA Success Club. So we'll just click on it. And this live room is open 24/7 to any HCA members. And so if you want to start a live discussion, you are most welcome to come in here and click on meetups and do that. Anytime that y'all want to have a discussion with each other, y'all are welcome to do that. And so here is the wall. The feed is just like Facebook. And then, let's see, we'll click on home. We have a live challenge going on right now for 23 New Year's Resolutions Challenge. We encourage you to join the challenge right here and let us know what your personal and your business resolutions are for the new year. Join the challenge and let us know. Look forward to reading your resolution this year. So here is the meetups, and the live room is constantly going on. On Thursday night, about 10 minutes before we start, I will send you the direct link to join this room, and then you will pop in here. I have 2 minutes left of this recording, so hopefully we can get this thing to open up. Here we go. This room can host up to 200 to 1,000 people at a time, and we can also break down into breakout sessions and breakout rooms in the future, so it's really neat. So this is where it'll be, and we'll see you here on Thursday night. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you Thursday.